Crushed meat with potato is a delicious and easy-to-make dish that is perfect for a comforting meal. Here's a simple recipe for cooking crushed meat with potato. Ingredients: 1 pound of ground beef, 4 medium-sized potatoes, peeled and cut into small cubes, 1 medium onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 cup of beef broth, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil for cooking. Instructions: heat some olive oil in a large pan or pot over medium heat. Add the onion and garlic and sauté until they are softened and fragrant. Add the ground beef to the pan and cook until browned, stirring occasionally to break it up into small pieces. Add the tomato paste, dried thyme, salt, and pepper to the pan and stir to combine. Add the beef broth and stir well to combine. Allow the mixture to simmer for 10 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. While the meat is simmering, boil the potato cubes in a pot of salted water until they are tender, but not falling apart. Drain the potatoes and mash them with a fork or a potato masher. Add the mashed potatoes to the pan with the meat mixture and stir until everything is well combined. Continue cooking the mixture for an additional 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the mashed potatoes are heated through and the mixture has thickened. Serve the crushed meat and potato hot, garnished with some fresh chopped parsley or green onions, if desired. Enjoy your delicious crushed meat with potato.